Good morning everyone. My name is Sagar. Today I will discuss some important vocabulary. First one is abrogate, meaning repudiate. Synonyms: revoke, repel. Antonyms: institute. Example: the ministry proposed to abrogate the dated electoral law. Second is resounding, meaning reverberant. Synonyms is reverberating, resonating. Antonyms: faint. Example: I gave him a resounding smack across the face because of his. Third one is devolution, meaning destruction. Synonyms: flattening, raising. Antonyms: construction. Example: the monument was thankful saved for demolition. Fourth one is discernible, meaning visible. Synonyms: detectable, noticeable. Antonyms: imperceptible. Example: the scandal had no discernible effect on his career. Fifth one is gloom, depression. Synonyms: despondency, dejection. Antonyms: happiness. Example: last year was of economic gloom for the car industry. Sixth one is vulnerable, at risk. Synonyms: endangered, unsafe. Antonyms: safe. Example: we were in a vulnerable position. Seventh one is hoard, strong. Synonyms: strong up, stockpiles. Antonyms: squandered. Example: thousands of antique hoarded by a compulsive collectors. Eighth is rampant, uncontrolled. Synonyms: unrestricted, unchecked. Antonyms: controlled. Example: political violence was rampant in the area. Ninth, abet, assist. Synonyms: aid, help. Antonyms: hinder. Example: his actions were shown to abet terrorism. Mercy, leniency. Synonyms: lenience, clemens. Antonyms: ruthlessness. Example: the boy was screaming and begging for mercy. Thank you to listen these vocabulary words.